Well, responsiveness, and you're talking about how quickly, right? So
Yeah.
um, there's an old term that I used to live off of, and I used to say it to, my last industry. I say it now is speed to lead. And think about it, right? If I'm in a grocery store and I grab something in the what do they call? I'm losing the term right now. Maybe you guys can help me, but the impulse buys, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So if you're in the grocery aisle, you're checking out, you're always looking, and they're selling you right away just by looking, and you want something, and they put those things strategically there because you're a hot lead at that point for them, and you have a higher conversion there. So the same concept applies to any sales process. The quicker I can get in contact with somebody, and I mentioned it earlier, 10 other people are going to call that person. So if I just make a phone call quicker than somebody else, which is easy, then I can get a higher conversion rate off of that lead. It's a proven statistic. So speed to lead is extremely important. And when you're automating and prioritizing lead flow, right? Calling from a list compared to having a prioritization filter built in, I know that next person I'm calling is the freshest, newest lead to give me the most optimum chance of converting. If I'm calling from a list, I might not know.